To use the motion brush tool, first we need to get to the Runway homepage. And now to use the motion brush tool, we need to generate some image to animate it in future. To generate some image here, we need to click to text to image. And here just choose the ratio, resolution, and the style of image. And for example, let's just generate some bonfire in wood to animate the fire in next step. Here we have the results. Let's take this one and just simply upscale it to have better quality. Now let's get back to homepage to use our tool. To get to the motion brush tool, just click Start with Image. Here we have the motion brush tool, but first we need to upload our generated image. Once your image is loaded into Gen 2, click on the motion brush button to get started. If you want to make your brush size bigger, use the slider in the upper left. If you accidentally paint too big of an area, use the eraser tool. Now let's paint over our fire to animate it. Once you have a basic mask, head down to the horizontal, vertical, and proximity sliders. You can think of these as an X, Y, and Z grid. X is horizontal movement, left or right. Y is vertical movement, up or down. Z is proximity, or just closer or farther. Each slider is controlled with a decimal point value with a range from -10 to +10. You can manually input numerical value, drag the text field left or right, or use the sliders. Once you finish, just click Save and Generate, but it'll obviously take some time. And here our result. As you can see, the fire is moving like real. Now you know how to use Runway Motion Brush tool. Thanks for watching, and see you soon.